These laptop fans can be purchased on eBay for about $3. Alright, once you have your fan, you have to first take it apart. There are these screws here which I have already removed. Basically, you use a tweezer, clip it, and pull it out. So this can just simply come off. Do it for this side too. And then this side. And this side. Now, the fan is no longer attached. So you can just pull it off. Next, take the USB end of the fan and basically just cut it off. You can save this USB for some other project. When you cut the wires, you will find 4 wires. Isolates which two set of black and red matches with which fan. Select a place for the fan on the shirt. I will place it right here, but you can place it anywhere you want. The t-shirt is done, and if you did it correctly, it should look like an Iron Man suit. An Iron Man suit. The completed part of the fan on the shirt. Right, now that you have the fan attached, now we have to solder in the electrical parts. So we saw before that the wire comes with a red and a black side. So all you need is a switch. This is a 2-pin switch. Has to be side by side, and then simply solder the black wire together, and your shirt is complete.